after entering your room, you'll come into the bathroom area. So in here, you've got a beautiful vanity mirror. Hello, everyone. On the left side, there is plenty of storage space. So if you have any toiletries, you can put there, cups, and this is, I guess, for like Q-tips or something. Oh, let's see. Vanity kit, very good, and a shower cap. Very good. Okay. Have some hand towels, soap, nice little sink, makeup mirror, more storage space, tissues, and then you will get the Red Lane Spa lotion, soap, body cleanser, so your body wash, your conditioner, and your shampoo to use in this beautiful shower. So it is a dual shower, so you've got the rain fall shower head and the wand as well, and you have space to put your soaps and conditioners in as well. Dual control as well. Over here you have the toilet area. Again, lots of shelving and space here. I love this part. When you check in, they have the Sandals S stamped on the toilet paper. Very nice. And those are 2 sanity bags. In the bathroom is going to be your closet space as well. So you can open this up, and you've got a heavy blanket if needed. Not really much needed in Jamaica. And there are additional pillows, an iron, and the ironing board. There's a safe, should you need to put anything away. There's a nice laundry bag there. And then you do have a bathrobe to put on as well. And these bathrobes are part of the club level access that you have. Now, these are for your enjoyment during your visits. If you would like to purchase these, you can contact your concierge butler. Or concierge, let's see. If you would like to purchase a new bathrobe, please advise your concierge or your butler, so your Club Sandals representative. Very nice closet. So back over here at the sink, you also will have additional washcloths and towels. The hair dryer is here at Sandals South Coast in a club level room. Here it is for you. It's a nice blue one. So if you are looking for a hair dryer for your vacation, for your trip here to Sandals, this is what is currently in the room as of recording. Here is the king bed. Very spacious for sure. You get 4 pillows. Firmness is really good on these. Over here on the side, you are gonna have your nighttime reading lights. So all you have to do is push that one down and it will light up for you. Here's your plugs. There are 2 USBs. This switch does control the main light switches, so you can turn off the lights if needed at night, so that way you don't have to get up. Over here on the nightstand. Over here on the nightstand are gonna be a USB-C on the bottom there, and a USB and 2 American plugs as well. Looks like they're actually grounded too, so plenty of outlets to charge your devices if you need to. Out here on this nightstand, you also will have the phone. So if you need to call for room service or to another room or to another guest, you can use that, or you can touch one of the dials for like the bell desk, resort shop, all the good things, okay? Love the wallpaper. Absolutely gorgeous wallpaper. And here's a nice little couch that's got a couple pillows as well. Beautiful rug spaces. Here's a little bench. I used it to put on my shoes, so you could definitely use it for that. And over here on this side of the bed, you are going to have a Bluetooth speaker should you want some tunes as well. And again, here's a nice drawer. Lots of space here as well. Pretty deep over there as well. All right, so here's the wet bar area. Let's start with the top, okay? So up top, you're gonna have your premium liquors. So there's some rums, whiskey, vodka, gin, and then there's a wine as well. That was made just for Sandals. You got your wine glasses, champagne flutes, and then cocktail glasses, napkins, and coasters. Over here is gonna be for your coffee and tea. So you got your coffee mugs, your coffee to put in the machine, Jamaican coffee. And then you've got all of your tea bags, sugars, and such. So let's close these up. There are soft closing. There's an ice bucket down here with tongs. And then there is your coffee machine and a tea kettle. There's a plug back there too, so that's convenient. Below the wet bar is going to be more storage and a trash can. And next door is going to be the fully stocked mini fridge that can and will get restocked during your service. So you've got up top here a Minute Maid apple juice, Red Stripe Jamaican lager beer, bottles of water. Here is a Chardonnay. Yep, Chardonnay is there. And then a Brut as well. Very nice. And then there's some Coke Zeros, Sprites, and Cokes. And so those will get restocked. I have enjoyed a couple myself while on my visit here to Sandals South Coast. But there is the wet bar. All right, so out here is going to be your little patio balcony area. You have a bench with a nice table. So if you order room service or something, you can have it out here. There's an outlet as well, if you do need one. And then around this side is going to be a nice picture. And here's your Tranquility Soaking Tub. It has the top for the water to come in, a wand, or controls. And then just look at the view out here, guys. Breathtaking, isn't it? Should you need privacy, they do have these curtains that can be pulled if needed. So you'll have full privacy. Again, there's one on this side as well. Okay. So they're pretty thick, as you can tell, so no one can really see you or anything like that if you're concerned. But you'll have your privacy. But who wants to hide that? So pretty. Well, everyone, I hope you've enjoyed this room tour here at Sandals South Coast of a Longbeach club level suite with balcony, Tranquility Soaking Tub. If you are interested in booking your adventure here to Sandals South Coast or any Sandals or Beaches property, please reach out to us. We're the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures. My name is Bradley, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and we look forward to hearing from you and seeing how we can help you get to paradise. Make sure to check out our website, thecarpentersmagicaladventures.com, or click this QR code for our quote, and we'll take care of you and get you here to paradise. It's beautiful, amazing, and waiting for you. Until next time, every day is an adventure. We'll see you then.